It's the wrong one. There we go. Now I'm live.
He's playing Gungeon.
Yeah, I'm playing Gungeon because I was in the middle of a Gungeon run. So what? I don't care.
Yeah, fair enough. So I've got a couple of things potentially that I wanted to. Oh, that was the weird stock. Sorry, I still have the string pulled up.
What is it? Turn off the music.
Huh?
Turn off the music so it doesn't mess with my music. Music.
I cannot open up the project. If I can open up the project, it's just taking a really long time. Oh, hi, Callie. Oh, cool. It's like she knew the second that I needed to start typing shit that she should hop into my lap. Alright, hello, Callie. How you doing? You want to sit down? Alright, the project's taking a minute to open up. So I potentially wanted to talk about a couple of different things that maybe should be done in the game. So we talked about our repeating goals, and I want to do enemy stuff, but the enemies are there's a few things still up in the air about them, I think.
Yeah.
Specifically, if I go into the game. Did he win a game? Did he win the first game? He did. Oh my god, wait. Okay, Cake Assault might just lose. So if I spawn in this ground enemy fire. So this is the guy that I think is the biggest issue that needs to be talked about right now. Because I think he will kind of dictate how we should indicate for enemies going forward.
Mm-hmm.
So if I take a look at him, he only indicates that he's about to attack because of that little ping.
Yes, which is currently terrible.
Which is very terrible. And also, if I were to put the game into low render mode here, you can see that it's kind of. Let me turn on invulnerability so that I can. I also added that. Okay, well that didn't. Oh, because I was already in. Up. So now this should work. Hopefully. Yeah. So it's really hard to tell when he's about to hit, especially in low quality mode, which I think is kind of a really good tool for us to tell whether or not something is visibly indicated very well. This is really bad. If I were to take a look instead at a couple of other enemies, like the flying fire projectile guy, it's pretty clear that he's about to attack. Maybe not particularly clear where he's going to attack, but it's clear that he's about to do something.
Mm-hmm.
And for the... Let me kill these guys really quickly. If I go ahead and spawn in fire grouper spawn. His isn't particularly clear, actually, looking at it. In low quality mode. So maybe that one is worth revisiting as well.
Mm-hmm.
You had mentioned before that you really liked Voidigo's system. So let's take a look at that. There is. Do I not have Voidigo recently? Oh, I don't. I haven't played it in over a year. Or almost a year. Let me launch this real quick. Also, I want to play more Deadlock later.
Okay. I know.
Yeah, Deadlock
way too much fun playing Deadlock.
Yeah.
I will gladly play more Deadlock. I got lowercase r, but I got a synergy that makes it spell out other words, so it's actually tolerable.
Okay, hold up. I'm gonna put your stream on for just 2 seconds because my monitor is flashing. Wait, actually,
entertain the peasants.
Hold on. Hold up. Let me just. No, I got it. I can just put this in windowed mode and move it over because Voidigo is doing weird shit with my monitor and making it flash.
Very fun.
Okay, there we go. Is it? There we go. And also, oh my gosh.
30 DPS.
Okay. Dude, this game maker experience is pissing me off.
Oh, I didn't realize the Heck Blaster is actually good because it transforms regular enemies into, or jammed enemies into regular enemies. You hit them with it. That's good to know.
That's cool.
do I want? I think I want.
So let me go into here real quickly. Fuck, I don't remember how to play this game. This game doesn't have like a dash, right? It's just like a run.
There's like a jump.
Yeah, that doesn't make you go faster.
No. Yes, there is a run. I'm pretty sure it's shift.
Yeah, so there's not a dash. There's just a run. Is literally the words that I said.
Oh, okay. I thought you said there's a run. Or there's a. I'm bad at words. Okay.
No, it's fine. It's just.
Don't worry about it, boy.
Yeah, I was like, oh yeah, there's only a run. You go, oh no, there's a run. I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do these guys do whenever they're about to attack? Okay, they just flash. Yeah, they just flash a little bit. It's actually kind of cool that their weapon itself, like, fully turns into the color. Is there anything that has like an attack that has one of those indicators that we were talking about?
You'll just find them eventually.
Yeah.
Especially like the bosses have like some really nice ones.
Yeah, let me go down here really quickly.
Spooky
Ooh, I want
ghosts.
I wanted to be song. A new song is just popping in my head.
I got lowercase r and it's spelling out spooky ghosts. Ooh, spooky.
I think it's this one. Perhaps. Okay. So, like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at your screen.
These have. That one has the line. You kind of just have like an outline. These don't really have. I'm actually not seeing a whole lot of like area indicators. Just kind of like, hey, I'm about to do something.
There was definitely some that did that I'm trying to remember.
Yeah, no, there definitely are. I'm just like, I'm kind of just taking note that certain enemies are kind of aiming at you and saying, hey, I'm about to do things. I'm also noticing a lot of the enemies and attacks have, oh, I actually can't leave the room yet. Actually have like lights around them.
Yeah,
which is very interesting. Yeah, I didn't actually want to like play through the. I'm not gonna play through. Can I just like hit this? Yeah, okay. Cool. I don't want to like actually get into combat. I don't care enough to play through this right now. Just looking at their indicators. Yeah, like you have the line. Yeah, okay. I think that's probably enough for me to.
You missed like some.
Maybe make some ideas about things.
But yeah.
Yeah.
But that's.
I'm just like I'm thinking about. Let me take a look at ground enemy fire. Renganshu's up 2-0 by the way. Right now. Renganshu is up 2-0 by the way. Yeah. He's in a reset right now, which means that if he wins this game, the tournament is over. So let me find. How are we doing outlines again? Does this have an outline? It doesn't.
But piercing and bouncing bullets. Very good.
Did this not? Wait. What has an outline on it that we know of? The interaction sprites do, so like the chest. You have an outline, right?
One of the other things I really like is like the flashing red and white, so it adds like extra contrast. Especially, I definitely think that would be especially helpful for us since this first level is very red. If we made like the indicators red, it's like, how are you supposed to see? What is this? Ticket. What does that do?
Okay, it's just a pixel outline. Can I layer these on top of each other, I wonder? Is there... This has to use parent material. Why is that? Oh, because this doesn't... Okay. Do we have anywhere that we're using an outline and a hit flash?
Outline and a hit flash?
Yeah.
Not that I can think of, no.
I wonder how hard it would be to combine those shaders. Oh, well, never mind. Hit flash is literally the easiest thing in the world. Oh wait, is it? Hit flash.gd shader. Does pixel outline have... Did I already combine these by chance?
Maybe.
No. It'd be kind of cool if I did. I didn't, but I think I made it relatively easy to do. Oh, I need to change this to be a little different. It's flash.gd shader. Instead of this being tint, I would rather this be flash tint. I think would make more sense.
Lowercase r with synergies is actually really good. I'm unsure. We don't have anything for you really now.
What floor are you on by chance?
The second to last one, I think.
Oh, okay. I thought you were just gonna say second. I was like, damn.
No.
This motherfucker's delaying the game dev stream for the second floor of a Gungeon run. Let's see. Can I get this now? No. Oh, I need it. What? Oh, because it needs to be a different shader. I'm sorry, Mario. Not this song. Not right now.
What are we working on today? Oh, but you didn't turn on shared chat. I am going to be working on like the tutorial and stuff, but I was in the middle of a Gungeon run when I started the stream, so I'm finishing that. I thought I was going to.
Yeah, want someone working on the game right now.
Yeah.
I am currently doing that.
Yeah, there's a shared chat.
So, does this work? If I were to tell this to hit flash, why you know hit flash? Because I'm not using it. You hit flash.
Heavy bullets, that's
Texture
good, right?
value.
Heavy bullets, is that a Dante 9 reference? Oh, that's really good. This might be my best run that I've ever had at this point, which means I'm probably gonna die. Hello, Imperial, how are you doing?
Hello.
I promise I will be doing game devs at some point, soon. For sure.
Like this literally isn't being
Definitely. Was there only one chest here? No, I guess I got both of them. Maybe I'm dumb. Sick.
Oh, sick. That works like perfectly. Then I can just
The
tell
acid
it
passive
not.
pack I bought doesn't have enough for the auto tiling. Hope the artists will be kind enough to add. Can you send me what they have? I want to see if, because there's a program that I use, or a website that I use that auto generates auto tiles that you might be able to use. I can take a look and see. Because once you have like the base, like a square and like some other stuff. Oh, I hate these guys. I hate these guys.
God, I love shaders. I think shaders are so cool.
Oh, never mind. We're killing them. We're killing them. Oh, this is easy. That was good. Oh, wow. Oh.
Ooh, okay. Question, JW. Are you in the middle of anything right now?
Yeah, I just got attacked by a mimic. You know the boss reward thing? Apparently that can be a mimic.
Yeah, that's true.
I did not know that.
I want to say there are 4 chests in the entire game that can't be a mimic, but I may be wrong. I actually don't remember if this can be mimics.
No, you're not good. What do you want me to send you? Just like whatever whatever tiles set they have currently, or whatever tiles they have.
Question. In the case that something has an outline, let's say something has a red outline and you hit them, what do you think should happen? Do you think the outline should stay red? Do you think the outline should also flash white?
Maybe it shouldn't flash white, but I'm not sure, to be honest. I think that's just a we try it and see.
Okay. Because I think it's like as simple as like either doing it here. Oh, no, I lied. Oh, because that's.
Let me check. It doesn't see me. Okay.
I feel like we need a brighter red. You know what I mean?
Okay, yeah, that should be enough. For like, let me send you. What is it called again? Find it. Here we go.
Meow 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 meow.
So
true.
I'm gonna send you this. Basically, what you have to do is you have to reformat it. It looks like the easiest would be maybe 4x4 plus. But basically, if you format it, if you look at the thing I sent, well, I can just pull it up on screen. There's these formats on the side here. So you basically just format it in a way that it looks like this, and then you put the file in here, and then it'll auto-generate a full one for you. I think usually I use the 3x3 plus preset. So basically, you have to make a 3x3 square, and then one square that has all the interior corners. So looking at what you have, let me open this.
Hi, Callie. Hi.
So looking at this here, if you, so it'd be a 3x3 grid, and then the 4 corners of the interior one, because these, I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing at very well, but these ones in the center here are going to be identical to the ones in the center here. So you basically just want to copy these corners, so there's a corner on each side and then a 3x3. That's usually what I do. I just manually already? Okay, yeah. So then yeah, you can just drop it in there and it'll auto-generate it for you. That's what I use for all my tile maps. Hello Axel, I'm working on game dev, definitely. 100%.
I wonder how this... I get what you're saying, Dev Rooster. That is a really good idea. I just don't know how I can do that.
I'm really bad at not taking damage in this game, that is my issue.
Ow.
Not going very well right now.
I think I'm gonna pass on trying to do that actually, 'cause I think that's gonna be annoying as fuck.
Ah, I died.
Let's go.
Unfortunate. I was doing so well too. The last floor is just so hard to dodge and stuff.
Sometimes, yeah.
337 kills.
Hi, Callie.
But I had bouncing bullets, heavy bullets, piercing bullets, and yeah, I guess that was my main build. Oh, I forgot I also had table tech stun. I should have been using that. Rip. The table techs are like so powerful, but I just forget to use them at like 2 rooms after picking them up. Alright, I got my Dr. Pepper. It's time to work. Do you have any changes to push up?
Probably not.
Okay.
Well, I do, but am I gonna push them up? Probably
Yeah, I
not.
meant that like you want to push up or something. I don't know.
I think that's fine. And then I'll also add a thing here that is set outline color. Well, I guess taking a color, huh? How about that? Okay, I think this will work. So let's say that this guy is about to prep his attack during the aim state. Actually, do you have... Where are you getting this from? Oh, this is a scene. I forget that this is a scene. Yeah. Hit flush component. I forget, does this have a ready state? Or a ready function? Nope. Perfect.
Wait, why did it change my... No. I don't remember how I set this window set up before, to be honest.
Do enemy states have a time variable by chance? I should actually totally... Ooh, that's actually a really cool idea. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna do that. Time in state. And then inside of the state machine, I'm going to just increment this for everything.
You know what? I'm gonna finish the card I was drawing. Stream. I forgot how ugly this was. I still don't know how to fix it. We'll figure that out.
Why do you think? Wait, what?
Bleep glorp.
Why is this not? Why does this think this isn't a safe line of code? Weird. It like 100% should be. So this should just be a state, not an enemy state. Whatever. And for
You know what? I have an
GPs,
idea now.
State, time and state plus equals delta, which would be every physics frame. And I think that's it. Hopefully. And if I were to go back to aim.gd, enemy aim state, thank you. Then what I can do is I can say, what? I have like an export var aim flash interval. Let's say like every half a second. What I can do is I can say should flash is time in state divided by aim flash interval. This would be the amount of times it's happened. I can then cast this to an int perhaps, and then mod it by 2 and say, is this an even thing? Then flash. Yeah. I think that works. Let's find out. Oh, okay. Time and state already exists in parent class. Yeah, you're right. What of it? At least I'm consistent sometimes. That's kind of funny. I had a state class that was already using a variable called time and state that I did a few months ago. And I added a variable that's on all states now called time and state. And it told me, hey, dude, stop doing that. You are literally... Oh, there's a second one that actually has exactly that as well. Cool. What a beautiful set of, like, consistencies. Oh, shit. I have an error in my shader.
Whoa, an error in your shader.
Mhm. I do wish it would tell me what's wrong with the shader, however. Main shader, GD shader inc. Oh, what shader is this? This looks like it's hit flash, but I thought I got rid of that. Oh, you. I don't know why there are so many different... Whatever. Whatever. Hi, Callie. Oh. Okay, I set something up wrong for sure. So what is wrong with you and what are you doing? Hit flash, I am setting active. That's wrong. Yeah, that's wrong. I need to set... outline color to alpha is 0 if b alpha is 1. I wonder if I can do this. I wonder if I can do indexed shader parameters like that. Seems like the answer might be a no. Really? Shit, dude, he's working on Glorp.
Slightly better.
He's back on that Glorp grind.
Yeah.
Maybe show outline is the wrong way to do things then. Let me think. Let me think about this for a moment. I would probably just do, yeah, fuck it. You don't need to show outline anymore. Enemy aim state, you're gonna be doing... I think this will be a little bit better. Well, it's definitely clear that he's about to attack, but I don't think it's particularly good. He's also red always. Okay, this should fix that, yeah. I think this is going to be one of the most annoying parts of the game development process, to be honest.
What?
Is just making sure that things like check out, I guess. Like things are good, like indication, things are accessible and clear.
Yeah.
Many such cases, though.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's set this to like 0.5. So what I'm thinking I could do is map interval. Is I can do flash curve dot sample. Well, that's not going to work, is it?
I don't know what the plus image should be. Oh, for the tile map thing. Do I still have it pulled up? No, I don't. You get it. It's the corners, like the interior. Let me pull up your image. It's yes. So it's this here, this, and this all on one tile.
It's funny. I thought they were talking about the icons on the bottom of cards. I'm like, yeah, I don't know what the plus image should be either for the cards that we have, the green ones. I mean, maybe I was just talking about like accessibility and making things clear. I kind of want to avoid having this game time variable here, though, to be honest. Maybe it's fine. 'Cause I guess it's not like directly the... We'll see. I'll see if this works good, or works good. I'll see if this looks good first, and then if it does, I'll come back and maybe consider doing something better rather than just trying to make it perfect immediately. That's not like terrible, honestly. Maybe if I'd like turn the flash interval down a little bit. Maybe somewhere in the middle. I can't make it 0. Let me see what this looks like in full resolution. Should definitely start red, actually.
I think it's flashing too fast, maybe.
Perhaps. Like, let me see. Because I was thinking about making it. It's set up in such a way that it can speed up over time. So if I do something like this and save it, it'll speed up. But yeah, no, it definitely. I think maybe it could start flashing a little bit faster and then speed up a little bit towards the end, mayhaps.
Yeah, that might be better. They aren't even trying anymore. Not even best viewers. It's just viewers.
That's fucking funny. Just viewers. We don't have the best ones. You know it. We have viewers. Yeah, that's me. JB, can you look at this thoughts, prayers?
Maybe a bit better, yeah.
Is there any other way that you would change this? I mean, what would we do about this? What's the...
I mean, I think one thing I would do is change what the actual attack is. It's way too big.
So what do you think the attack should be?
I think it should just be like a small, like forward attack. Like basically what it currently is, but smaller. Kind of like the knife. Unless you have a better idea.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just thinking about it. So I'm like, this attack is already really non-threatening. you kind of like never get hit by it unless you don't know that he's doing it, which is the biggest issue.
I mean, I think we just make him like fast and aggressive. Like, I mean, it's like the slimes in Gungeon. Like, as long as you just shoot them and stay away, they're not gonna hurt you.
Fair enough, yeah.
But it's just
I
the
also
constant
made
threat of them like going after you is, and you have to deal with them before you can deal with other things.
Yeah, let me show you the outline thing that I added. So you can either have the outline stay like the color whenever you hit him, or we can have it be like separate. So if I were to go here and turn on the flash and then set the outline to red, so you can see that the flash is separate from the outline, or we can have it so that the flash is the outline. I don't know which one you feel is better, but it is something that we can do.
I think not part of the outline is probably good to try, at least for now.
Okay. I'm also thinking maybe white is the wrong color here. I'm thinking like one of the yellows, like the yellow light. Or like do we not have a yellow? It's called gold.
So it's gold.
Yeah, it's called gold. Do we have like a light gold? Can I toss a light gold in here anywhere? No, I haven't tossed the golds in here yet. Where is palette? It's okay, Visual Studio Code. You can take your time. That time took a long time to open. Oh, never mind. This is like unreadable as fuck.
So the artist didn't understand the good layout for auto tile that he needed. Yeah, a lot of times you'll get it like that, where it's just like the corners and the interior corners and like nothing else. Then you just gonna have to like do your own thing.
Any chance that the Apollo palette has like the colors? Oh, it does. It's perfect.
Just like open it up and spray it too.
Well, yeah, I mean, I need the hex values is the thing that I care about. I don't give a fuck about the...
What a goober. So we're missing just one piece in the ones you had to make,
right?
Yeah.
Right, you would say that these would all be categorized as gold.
Yes.
So this is gold. Is this gold? I think it's gold. Gold is E8C. Oh, just kidding. This is the lightest gold already. There's not even a light gold. That's a little annoying. Whatever. Never mind then. Yeah, I don't know if gold is the move then, actually. Also, maybe don't speed up. Let's see what that looks like if you were to just, like, constant amount. Be a little bit faster. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Enemy slash. Let's change you. So are you thinking it should just be the slash?
There's something similar.
Or like the you think it should? You think I'm fine to just use the knife slash sprite thing?
I mean, yeah, you can try that for now, just temporarily. Maybe we probably want to make something better.
What are the chances this updates the players? Okay, nice. Ghetto, don't do that. You made it up here, you motherfucker. Stop. I don't want to hear your ass. What an evil creature. I wonder if that'll just fade. No, it doesn't seem particularly happy about that one. What if instead of like the ting sound that he does, what if he did like a little like growl or something? That sounded like an enemy getting angry rather than.
You want to record that?
What'd you say?
Said you want to record that?
Sure, dude. Yeah, no, that's the play, I think.
Still have no clue what I'm doing wrong here. I'm struggling.
What are you doing? Are you still working on?
Yeah,
Are you still glorping it?
still glorping it, yeah.
Okay. We need you to perhaps. Is this the Twink stream?
MOS.
Fuck. How do I don't want to say yes, but I don't want you to leave. If I say yes, will you stay in the stream? If I say no, will you leave the stream? That would be lying, wouldn't it? If I said no. I don't think so.
I don't think.
Attack. This is true, actually, yeah. Do I want this to... Yeah, I think I'll change this on the enemy for now. What a title. Yeah, dude, I was feeling particularly creative today. with that title.
Bro, thinking
What can I say? One of my better titles.
Crafting titles.
Did you see the title of my stream on YouTube today?
No, I didn't.
It's Meow Merp Merp Game Dev.
Fire.
Yeah. Holy based. Yeah, I know. I was just like, might as well give people a little bit of a treat.
Here we go, videos. This is a little bit better. It's still not great, but it's better.
Alright, give me 2 seconds. Exporf. Exporfivar.
Moaz, come rate the glorp. Rate my glorp.
Oh, here's the glorp. Okay, let's take a look at the glorp together. It's definitely better, yeah. He's kind of got like a... I don't know how to describe it. He's kind of got a Homer Simpson thing going on, though. And I don't know how to describe it.
A Homer Simpson thing? I don't even know what you're
like,
trying
you know
to...
how Homer Simpson... Okay, alright, sorry. This motherfucker does not... He's never seen anything on TV.
Who Homer Simpson is, but like I don't get what you're trying to say. He's beautiful. Okay. Moaz.
Yeah, no, he's beautiful,
Moaz.
but like he's got like a little bit of a Homer Simpson thing going on. So let me show you. Let me show you. So this is Homer Simpson, if you don't know.
Wait, really?
Okay. And so you see how Homer has like this like the brown mouth area where he's got like the I think it's supposed to be like a shadow or like unshaven or some shit. I don't know what the fuck it's supposed to be, I'll be honest. He's kind of got that going on, if you see.
Not really.
Not really. Like the area around his mouth that is like the
Maybe
it's like
bit, yeah.
just kind of a darker shade.
Yeah.
It's him not having shaved. Yeah, I kind of thought so, but it also
No, it's a beak.
kind of doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah, it's a beak. Yeah, Homer Simpson's actually a toucan, but like with a fucked up beak. See, Moaz says they see it. You got this. See?
Is that better?
Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what you changed.
Moaz, is that better? It's okay, spacebar 111 likes it, so we'll call it good.
Yeah, spacebar 111 is my goat. That's the only opinion that matters really in this stream. Is my stream off by 1 pixel? Or is that... Oh, your screen share has been off by 1 pixel. That's kind of fun.
Fire.
I don't know what you changed either, but I'll say yes because you're my friend. That's brave. Putting JW in your list of friends is kind of like an insane move. I won't lie to you.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so he will continue hitting even though I'm not actually in this area. So what I'll do now is I will go into ground enemy fire. I'll find this and I will say instead of 150, make it 100. Will he attack me now? Yeah, almost. Almost got it, man. There we go. And then also you should not sit there for like a full last second after you're done. You found it, you DM'd me. Let me take a quick look. This is about to be some terrible shit. Homer shaved his beard. Oh no. It is supposed to be a beard. Alright, let's open this up on YouTube and hope that it doesn't play really, really loud. Please, please, please. Please
I
make it loud.
hate
Oh, it's loud.
viewers.
It was for a frame. Alright, let's watch this. Let's take a look at Homer Simpson, no beard. Don't kill me, whatever. HBO. Ugh. Was this part of a movie? I feel like this is part of a movie because of the shading on it. You know what I mean? Like cartoons, whenever they have a movie, they always add like this like outline, like shadow
Yeah.
on it. It goes up in quality by like a lot or something. Yeah, we're not playing the audio to this. Ugh. Oh god. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. This looks weird. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Never watched that cartoon. Yeah, very little here as well. Oh shit! JW.
What?
You know, did you know this? So about Deadlock, the Hidden King.
Yeah.
Do you know who his voice actor is?
No.
I know you probably don't know this character, but it's from a show called SpongeBob, and his name is Mr. Krabs.
What?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
so funny.
Bro's got a crazy fucking... He's got a crazy song, though. I fucking love the Hidden King's intro music. It's so good.
It's so good.
It's so crunchy and gross.
Yeah, the Hidden King is like the goat.
Yeah, hold up. Let me show you this real quick, Moaz. Have you ever played Deadlock, Moaz?
Moaz, hop on Deadlock. Hop on Deadlock, Moaz.
Hidden King, Deadlock. But watch, yeah, we'll watch this average Jonas short, I guess.
Here, we'll watch it.
Sorry,
because
guys.
It's goated.
You guys get to... Oh, it's got audio. Okay, good. Oh, where's the speaker?
It's probably just gonna be him like yapping. Oh no.
It's so good. Dude, he's so sick.
He is the goat.
And the fucking the guitar that comes in is just fucking so
It's
gross
good.
and crunchy,
It's
and I
so
love it.
good.
And then hold up, let me find the. I was looking for a song because I wanted to send it to Lukaiza because we had watched the. I'd sent him the fucking what the hell is the thing? The Minecraft ARG that references the Yellow King or the King in Yellow, and it looks a lot like the King in Yellow. Hidden King, Deadlock. Yeah, why's he got the? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Let me find this. There's a video that mentions this. Oh, cool, sick. Is it gone? Did they get rid of it? Did they kill it off the internet?
They killed it.
No, dude, don't tell me they killed it. Whatever, I think it's in here as well. But the base looks fucking sick now. It's like evil and fucked up.
Got so much sauce.
It has so much sauce, and I love that it's just got like speakers and shit playing in the side. Which I guess they're not here. They've been destroyed. Oh, because it transforms. But the transformation music goes fucking crazy once this like kicks in. Evil ass fucking boss music. All right, that's it. All right,
Yeah,
back to game
Hidden
dev.
King is like 10 times cooler than whatever the other team is called.
The Archmother.
Yeah, nobody cares.
The Archmother.
Okay, now what do I do for the rest of the card, chat?
What is the card even gonna do?
There's gonna be a UFO card and it like picks up enemies or does something like that. I wasn't exactly sure yet, but something UFO related. Probably a summon.
I see. Something UFO related.
Give it a goatee. Why?
Yeah. Give it a goatee. Make it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What if you like converted the two antenna into just one? So he's got like a he's got a single fucking signal back home.
Bro turned into a Pikmin.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to change the amount of time that he finished this attack. So I think
Okay, I'm happy with that now though.
You're happy with that?
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that. Okay, JW, what do you think should be changed about this? Do you want it to be more attacky? Do you want it to be like, what do you want him to be exactly? Because right now he kind of just runs up to you, does a little prep, and then swings.
I mean, I think that works. I mean, do you have any ideas?
I don't know. I don't know if we want to change him at all for anything. I mean, he's like pretty fast, honestly. Why is he dealing no damage? Is he stupid? Because I turned on invulnerability. Because I was tired of testing enemies and dying. Because I would tab out, make some changes, and then tab back in, except I would be dead because they would just keep hitting me. Dude, I'm gonna make him real fast real quick. I still think like the idea of him being like a really fast dickhead is really fun.
Yeah, that's like
oh, you're not even using move speed. Weird.
Wait. I think it's actually bigger. I mean, maybe we can make it a little bigger, but it's definitely too small.
Yeah, so here's the really fast dickhead. Look at him go. Watch him go. Dude, he's so fucking fast. Dude, he just cleared that fucking jump like it was nothing. What? Look at him. He clears that stair. He's evil. Evil bastard child. Yeah, maybe the attack should be bigger. I don't know, though, to be honest. That's scary? You think that's scary? You haven't seen him traverse a real room. Let me go into like a real room and put this motherfucker down. What's a good room that actually works well with the navigation? I haven't made it fully work with all of the different setups for things yet.
Somewhere in here, somehow I accidentally chopped one of the salmon in half, so now I'm trying to repair them.
You what?
I accidentally chopped the salmon. I don't know how, but I did.
Maybe we don't have a room that's really good with this. I know empty start room works surprisingly well because I set it up to be like a testing room for navigation. Let me try this. Let me see if this even works. I don't remember if this room is broken. Oh, there's a slime down there now. Get out of here. Okay. Spawn enemy. Enemy fire. Yes. Yeah, no, this motherfucker. Dude, he does crazy jumps. Okay, he's a little too fast for his own good. He can't make it up that right now. But if I were to go over here, like he follows. And it's scary. He's a little too fast for his own good. He's a little stupid. Like turn him down just a little bit. I think 400 would probably work.
Yeah, I don't know what happened here.
It's a ballistic missile that tracks the player anywhere he goes. This little fucker can... I don't remember what the rest of the thing is. Other than this little fucker talking about like a kitten or something.
Kitty.
A biddy.
A biddy, more like kitty.
Yeah. I'll let you... He does have coyote time, actually. The problem is he overshoots some platforms if he's too fast. So, like, if he's got like a platform here that he's trying to land on, and his next navigation is up here, he'll like see these two pathfinding nodes, and he will jump for the next one. And then when he's here, he sees that he needs to go up here. So he doesn't like fast fall down to the platform and then jump back up. He just like keeps going to the right, which ends up like falling down this like area here. Which is I think it's a fine trade-off because one of the things that he was doing was he would jump over a node and then he would stop midair to fall down to the node, and then he would continue afterwards again. Is there any fix for it? Yeah. We can like tweak the parameters. If we end up making an enemy that fast, I would just go into the navigation wherever that is, tile navigation agent. And I would tweak some of these parameters. I probably should export some of them anyways, but it is mainly just like these need to be tweaked for certain things. Because this one has been like set up in such a way that he, with his current movement, doesn't overshoot enough things and doesn't undershoot enough things. I'm just gonna leave this slash like this, to be honest, for now, I think. Unless you think that it should be anything else right now, JW. I mean, it could be moved forward over time. I don't know how that would look, though.
Maybe.
Let's try it. Because I do agree that it's a little bit of a small hit, and you're not going to be hit by that, like, ever. Oh, I guess I can talk about that, something else in just a second that nobody has brought up, and even you haven't brought up, which is a little surprising.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Let's see. That looks a little weird. I don't know how I feel about that. Is there a way to make positions update like discreetly, but without specifically putting them in as discrete?
Are you trying to make it like what?
Okay, so if I let me slow this down real quick. So the attack, when it comes through, it'll take like 10 seconds or something for it to actually go through. It like linearly moves throughout the world. I was like, it'd be cool to have it move in steps without having to go in here and manually put keyframes in between.
Okay, I guess. I don't know why you'd want it to go in steps, but sure.
Because it looks better stylized with pixel art than,
I guess,
like just a linear movement. Which isn't that bad because I can just go in here and like add, and then add, and so that's the nearest. Yeah, I think that would work. Yeah, I think that works. I think that's fine. Slightly bit of a larger hitbox. Also, one thing that I added one thing that I changed and I'm experimenting with, but is easy enough to revert, was the mana change. So the mana's down here right now. Thoughts, prayers, or do you think it should be somewhere else? It's down in the bottom left right now.
I did kind of like having the deck there, but
yeah, I mean
but that might be better.
It's definitely something.
Gameplay, yeah. You can try it.
Yeah, I don't know. Because we can move it. I did also experiment, and I'll show you this really quickly because moving this around is easy enough. Was having the mana over by the cards is like not the greatest thing, but I go to this thing. Oh, those are yellow now. That's fun. If I were to grab the mana bar, which this should be called like mana bar or something somewhere. This one, yeah. So if I were to set this to here, the mana bar, imagine that this is centered. This kind of blocks a lot of things from the cards. So I don't think I like this very much. We could also have it over on the right by the card that's equipped somehow, but I don't know. We could also have it along the right side. I don't know where this should be. It's mainly the thing that I'm getting at.
Yeah. I mean, we could even
Because
try,
we had it up
like,
here before.
the cursor idea. Maybe have like a circular bar on the cursor or something as like an additional thing.
For mana, I don't like that.
I don't like that.
For mana. I don't like that for mana. I think that would make more sense for charges. We could also put it like here. Like we could put it kind of to the left. So like rather than bottom left of the screen, we could put it kind of over to the right of the screen, like in this area between the card and the deck. Although I don't know. That feels weird, especially if you have like no cards. Then it's just kind of floating. Which maybe is fine. Maybe we just hide it whenever you have no cards, but I don't like that either. Let me see. If I were to put this in the bottom left, if I were to enter a room, this should do some weird shit where... Oh, that's a loot room. Cool. Let me... Oh. 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 What if Dante's 9 had the same music style as Deadlock? That'd be sick.
Oh, we could do that.
Holy bullet hell. Oh my god, bullet hell. Oh, I wonder if, actually, that's an idea that I hadn't thought about. Enemy bullets should maybe also cut through the foreground. As that seems pretty important. I'll put that on my to-do list, actually, because that's pretty important. I'll toss this into JW documents. Fuck it. So we have a to-do list in here. Nope. Okay. We have a to-do list here. Oh yeah, that's from Vigils' playtest. Yeah, fuck it. Betty to-do list. Let's do enemy bullets. Should cut out from foreground and or cards. But yeah, so the deck is there, which is really annoying, especially because it's not entirely... Well, actually... I wonder... What if, Oh, let me think of how this could work. What if rather than this being... Excuse me, like a preview of the deck or something like that. What if it was similar to like these like HUD elements that are like, it has like an icon or it has some sort of meter or something that like instead of it being a representation of the deck directly by like looking like the deck, it just has some sort of vague deck-like design. Do you know what I'm trying to say or no?
Not quite, no.
Like, kind of how whenever there's a cooldown on the card, there's like that little icon that does like the thing. What if we had something similar to that down here, next to the mana that shows like your draw time or like whether or not you have a card available to draw. So it would say like it could say card draw and then have like the meter, or it could have like an icon that is like a card and like a plus symbol on it.
Maybe. I think I'd have to see
Maybe.
that. I'm not.
Alternatively,
maybe I'm
if
stupid, and also I'm drawing, so like.
no, that's okay. Alternatively, we could have, rather than having the deck over here in the bottom left directly where the mana is, we could move it a little bit to the left or to the right of that so that it's like here instead. So that, oh, all I need is Force End Room. Where's Force End Room? I need to categorize the debug menu more. So like the deck is here instead. I don't know about that actually.
If anything, I think it should be the other way.
You think the mana should be closer to the cards?
Yeah.
Meow. So true, Lilac.
Yeah, so true.
Make sure to submit your meows to the Dante's 9 meowing competition in the Discord. It's not a thing yet. He says this every single time. He's always like, yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Like, yeah.
It feels like this is very... Oh, I guess there's also... There's some weird things with the UI now that I'm thinking about it. Like, I guess, like, in terms of, what am I trying to say? Like, lining up. We've got, like, the scratch card is at, like, this height. The deck draw is at this height. The cards are, like, kind of at this height-ish.
Yeah.
The mana
well, the
bar
deck draw
sits down
should
here.
definitely be shorter. Maybe.
Yeah. Like, there's so many, like, different vertical, like, positions along the bottom as well that I need to keep in mind.
Yeah.
This is less of, like, a this is an issue right now and more of, like, a
yeah.
this should be kind of kept in mind.
This is true. Totally.
The deck draw could also be above the mana. Up here?
No, absolutely not. That looks awful.
That looks awful. What if it was the other way around, where this was down here and the mana...
That's, like, possible, yeah.
Above it. Like that, perhaps?
Maybe.
The mana bar could also be vertical somewhere. I'm not sure, though. Actually, that's not like a terrible idea. Making the mana bar vertical next to the deck.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
Let's find out. Let's see what that looks like. Unfortunately, that is one of the only ways that this is going to be annoying. Potentially. Ooh, very pretty. Chance I could just like... What are the chances I could just like rotate this 90 degrees? That'd be so cool. You're a child of a container. Are you a child of a container? You are. You are as well. You know, that might be the play.
Maybe, you never know.
I don't know about that. Unless it was like... It looks so ugly whenever it's just like a proof of concept thing and it pisses me off. Like, it's not the worst thing, like, at least idea-wise.
It's pretty bad, but like...
I mean, idea-wise, I'm talking about. Honestly, that's not the worst thing ever. If this actually had like a label on it that said mana amount.
Yeah, maybe. I do kind of like it, yeah.
I think that it is a little conflicting with how this thing fills up separate. Like, I think it needs to be clearer what this is. And I don't know how we're going to do that. I don't know how to make this a clearer idea of this is how you draw cards. You said you wanted this to be smaller.
I want it to be smaller.
The deck display. At the bottom.
Yeah, maybe lower. Like I like that was lower
Lower?
before. Like where it's kind of sticking up rather than being like the full card is there.
Let me try making it smaller just for funsies, because I'm curious about that. I'm not entirely like a fan of it being just kind of like the peeking up thing. Definitely not that small. Okay, let me make this prototype thing a little bit better, because I actually do really like the vertical mana bar, to be honest.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start by making this like actually not terrible, potentially. So you are a problem because of this. I see. It's not like a great way to rotate, right? I'm kind of just rotating the entire thing. No, I think if I wanted this to work right, I'd actually have to go into the this thing and make it rotate, and I don't know how I would get away with doing that. Speech box container with a texture rack, smooth progress part. How hard would it be to make you vertical? Problem is the textures themselves are horizontal, and I don't think there's a way to rotate textures in Godot by default, right?
I don't think so.
And like none of these are particularly rotatable because of how they're in containers. I guess I could do. How about this? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say the scariest words JW is ever gonna hear. I'm gonna open up a sprite, and we're gonna
I'm so
we're
scared.
gonna make a vertical version of this. So which of these files needs to be? Mana bar fill secondary frame and mask. I think all of these probably need to be rotated. Kind of sucks there's not a keybind for that, but whatever. Give me a second. Okay, we're good. I just didn't know if Windows was gonna put the save dialog somewhere like my tax documents folder or some shit.
Yeah.
I've started getting to the point that I just don't trust Windows to do anything ever.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Windows really does like to do that, where just sometimes you're like, oh yeah, I'd like to save this PNG. And then they're like, yeah, I know the last place you saved a PNG was like your downloads folder, but like, how about let's save it in tax info 2025 this time? That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
All right, let's do this. So now I can set this thing to this. Here, set you to this. That looks so weird. And I need to rotate this now.
Hello, average good enjoyer. Happy Sunday to you. Yes, I am snowed in. Biddy got like a little bit of snow, I think.
I didn't get much snow.
Yeah.
Like enough that I would not drive in this, but I got the most annoying amount of snow. It's just ice. I can't even like take my cat out in it because she doesn't want to walk on the ice. I was really looking forward to see how she would react to the snow.
It's Drover.
Yeah. Because she's never been out in the snow, and I wanted to see how our nightly walks would go if she experienced that. I doubt this is gonna work, but I'm gonna hit play and see what this does. We're gonna see if it all breaks and looks like shit. Okay, it does break. It does look like shit. Let's find out why that looks so ass cheeks terrible. I'm gonna move this to my other monitor so I can see it. Or I guess, well, I knew it would kind of look like that. Who has their minimum size set to something wrong? Or is it you? It's you. Well, you're doing something wrong.
What am I doing wrong?
What's up?
You said I'm doing something wrong.
Oh. Not you.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's not true. I'm sure you're doing something wrong right now.
Yeah, probably.
I just don't know what it is.
Yeah, because you're not an artist. Or would not know what's going on right now.
Wait, that might actually, like, fix most of the issues. Oh. Interesting. It's still filling up sideways. I didn't expect that. I thought that it would... Oh, I know what it is. You go here instead. Oh, that, like, kind of works. And if I were to add some mana to my hand, or to my ability... And you. Ooh, yeah. Okay, well, there's a few things going on here that are very funny. For some reason or another, the mana bar runs away whenever I change the size, which I don't 100% know why, but it is funny. Also, the relics are yellow because I changed the hit flash shader, which means that anything using the hit flash shader needs to be updated. Relic display, I think it's called. Yeah. Oh, that's not procking. Weird. You should be... I'll figure that out in a minute. Probably, potentially.
Some things
This is
said
also
before
blocking
not
Dawson.
figuring it out.
You know what? Actually, you're right. I'm gonna leave it yellow for now, because if I don't, I'm going to forget about it. So we're gonna leave that shit yellow, so that it's always on my mind whenever there's a relic on screen. So let's also perhaps figure out what's... Let me put text on this real quick, and then I'm also gonna figure out the issue. The nether.
The nether.
What? What?
What?
Are you, oh, you are. Oh, you're still scaled by -1. I see what's wrong with you. That's why things look really weird. Okay, it no longer runs away. However, it definitely gets too tall for the screen, taking up a very large portion of the vertical height. It is kind of cool, though. Oh, shit, it's going the wrong way. Fuck. Ooh, cool. You're doing some weird shit right now. Interesting. Now we're gonna run into a little bit of an issue, I think. Which is with mana going below 100. Maybe that's not that big of an issue, actually.
Yeah, I don't think that's that big of an issue, actually.
We have a monospace font, actually. Let me try that.
You have a monospace font, actually.
Actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mono. Dante 3x5 mono. Does this include spaces? It does. I could have this do like a 0 padding kind of thing. Label text is that. How do you do 0 padding or space padding in Gadoo? Oh, look. Gadoo space padding. Let's find out. Oh, I'm not doing all that. You guys can live with it, I think. It's very interesting how that's happening. I don't know what's going on there. Smooth progress bar. You are going to be 1 minus. Yeah, there we go. I am noticing a missing bar, actually. GW, do you have a moment to check something for me, or are you in the middle of
I
things?
can check something for you.
Or actually, just kidding. I lied. I
Okay.
can do it myself. I remember I left this in here for testing purposes. Okay, so this does have the smooth progress bar. I don't know why the other one isn't showing up. Is it because of this? this. Nope. There we go. Okay. Do you ever want to look at this and tell me how you feel
Yeah.
about it? So there's the or the vertical progress bar or the vertical mana bar.
Wait. Can you use some cards again? Why do the like lines in it stretch weirdly like that?
What line? Oh, I see what you're talking about.
It
Probably
like
because I just have
squishes.
this.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I have the tile mode set wrong.
Yeah, it should be like tile, not stretch.
It's honestly
I think
kind of hard to
it's what
see
it
on my
is.
monitor.
Yeah. It's the only thing I noticed, but besides that, yeah, I think it's fine.
Is it tile fit? Is that what you need to be? Nope.
No? I don't know. Do you need to set the vertical as well? Or horizontal?
I don't think so. I think it's.
Maybe it's slow bar? I don't know. I don't know what you're doing.
Oh no, this is
Let's see.
Oh, I lied.
Sure.
Kind of.
Kinda.
What the fuck?
You guys inspired me to start listening to the OSTs of all the games I've played to catalog my favorites. I really just
Fire.
like play them for streams because I feel like I don't actually listen to music ever.
Yeah, this guy doesn't actually like. He doesn't like the game
Yeah.
music that he listens to. He only does it for stream because they're like
Yeah.
less copyright or whatever. Oh, that's moving in a weird way now. No.
Okay, Biddy, how do you like this background that I'm working on?
Whoa, that's fucking fire. That actually looks so sick. I don't know what that's doing. Or like that card is kind of insane looking. But that does look sick.
Yeah, I need to put him in like a little UFO in the bottom, I think. And I think I'll have some other little green guys in the background. And they're little UFOs. That's my idea.
Some LGM. Little green men.
Yeah.
Dog, look at my ability. You can't find out how to tile a texture correctly. No.
Evil Bitlidic.
I don't understand. So this one.
Evil Bitlidic be like, yeah, I know how to draw, but I don't know how to code.
Yeah, that's true. So this is set to tile spread. What? I'm gonna take a snipping tool of this so I can reference it in the other scene. Up, up. Okay, so this actually should be, yeah, 4/4. Wait, isn't that what? Huh? What? No, okay, that is moving weird. supposed to work? Oh, because of the way that this grows, I see. Hmm. Why the fuck can you be rotated? Okay, well that works actually. That works so well because I think that means I can flip this upside down and make this yep, slide. Mayhaps. I think there has to be a better way to do this, right? Like if I were to do this, nope. Yeah, no, that grows the wrong way. I can do that. I can do this. This ideally would work, but apparently not. Hmm. I could do this, which almost works, except not really. Not in the slightest, actually. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. That feels weird, but sure. Does that just do what I want it to? Perhaps? Okay, that like almost works. I can set this to -1. I can add the size to this. And then if I change the bottom anchor, this works somehow. Sure. Sure. Okay. So this needs to be set to top. This needs to be set to -1, and this needs to get the position added to it. So if it's vertical, position is equal to size.y or position.y plus size.y. I don't know why I'm adding 4 to it, but I am. And the scale.y is equal to -1. Ah, shit. Wrong place. What the fuck? Why does the font look weird now? The font looks really fucking weird.
What did you
Oh!
do?
Oh my god. No, the font doesn't look weird. It's upside down.
Oh.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna step away for a moment. Here, you can entertain people.
Okay. Chat, look at the glorp. Everybody say hi, glorp. Maybe move him down even more.
I am back. Hello.
Hello. I'm back to Tennessee. Up on Deadlock. Deadlock stream.
Deadlock stream. Called fast bar. What did I call this? Slow bar and main bar. Very cool.
Nice. Wonderful names.
Kind of the best at naming things, ever.
Yeah.
Let's not flip the entire thing upside down. Let's just flip the one bar upside down. How about that? I thought I set you to the correct mode, but maybe I didn't. Main bar dot... Fuck, what is it? Axis stretch vertical? Wrong. Anchor? No. Grow? Vertical. Thank you. Almost. Okay, not almost anymore, actually. What's wrong with you? Because this was working in my editor. I don't understand what is rendering in front of everything. Why? I thought that this would be... Oh, I guess not. Cool. Not entirely sure why this isn't changing very much. Oh, it is. It is just like large for some reason. Hold up. Let me restart this so this is like the correct size. Okay, yes, it's definitely the wrong direction. Why though? Okay, I see what's happening. So in the... Oh, that's a little annoying. In the actual game, the anchor offset. So if I change this, this doesn't actually change the offsets right here. However, in the game, changing that it does. So let's fix that. Do something just quick and dirty right now because I just need this to work. I don't really need it to be good. Cool. So that still doesn't work. I don't understand. Oh, wait. Okay, so I still don't understand. However, that looks like it works. Almost. There's like the smallest little bit of it being wrong. However, I think that's fine. I don't care enough about it, and I'm sure you don't either. Surely, hopefully, please, for the love of God, don't care about it.
I care about it very much.
No! No! It's over. Sorry, guys. Dante's 9 is cancelled. And by sorry, I mean you're welcome.
Hey, what does he mean by this?
Yeah, and I can do this. Excuse me. Oh shit. You don't exist? Are you like kidding me, or is this like a fun joke for later? Oh yeah, you don't exist. That's weird.
You're not even real.
I'm telling you right now, that motherfucker is not real. Ah, fuck. That's not gonna work. Wait, why doesn't that work, actually? Wait, am I, like, evil? Am I... What?
No clue, twin.
Yeah, me neither, don't worry. I might be evil. Well... You know what I could do? I guess I shouldn't do that.
You
Well,
probably shouldn't
let's see what
do
it
that.
does.
Uh-oh.
Let's see what it does. Because I can always, like, remove the code. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, are you? Ground 1 and foreground. What is it? Oh, that does not do the correct thing, and that's kind of funny. So one of these being flipped upside down is definitely a problem, and I don't know why. Because as far as I'm aware, it shouldn't be. Let's just start with those two and see what happens. Okay, so never mind.
Everybody, how's this looking?
Holy shit, dude, he's in a little space thing. A little
Little
UFO,
space
an
thing,
UFO.
yeah.
He's in an UFO. Sick.
It's kind of beautiful.
This is gonna be the end of me, I think. I don't understand why this isn't working. Okay, what if, no, that's still fucked up and weird. Why are you fucked up and weird and evil and fucked up? Wait, like, actually, why? Hold on, I thought that was just fine. You know what, JW? I'm moving you on my stream.
It's okay.
You're going over here. You're above the cards now. I don't understand. This was working. There was a time that this was working, and now we're back at the time in the timeline where it isn't. Okay, back to the remote tab, I guess. I think I can actually click on this to hit the debugger to tell me where it is. Can I just like... No? Okay, my fault. Alright, what's wrong with you, buddy? Why are we so upset? Wait, like, actually, why? Hold on. I thought that you were... Okay, I think I see the... I've found the pattern, I think. So this is the size.y, and this will be the bar.size.y minus 8, perhaps? Okay, I'm wrong. I don't see the pattern. I don't get the pattern. Ooh, very cool. Someone send this motherfucker back to the loom to be rewoven.
Huh?
So, don't worry about it.
I know, it's a Weaver reference. From Dota
Yeah.
2. I need that one.
Get used to it. Yeah, if you're gonna be making secret shop references, then like I want you to at least like get Weaver references. Oh shit! Hello, hello, Hollow Tempest. Welcome in, welcome in. How are y'all doing?
Crazy, our game is literally just like Hollow Knight.
That's not. Yeah, our
Someone
game is
said that
literally
in a
just Hollow
YouTube
Knight.
comment, so it's true.
It's also crazy that you just assume someone with the name Hollow in their name,
Yeah.
like, or the word Hollow in their name, was a Hollow Knight person.
Crazy.
Are you a Hollow Knight person?
Literally just look at their little guy and like the emote. Like, are you
A little guy.
dumb?
Oh shit, you're right. Those are hollows. Those are knights.
I was like,
Let me move you back over.
what are you yapping about?
You're no longer in timeout.
I'm no longer in timeout. So.
Yeah, it might be. You know what? And I look at your... Yeah, I'm seeing that. I'm looking at your thing. I can't move this over to my other monitor, I don't think. Oh, no, I can. Yeah, looking at this. Yeah. Yeah, these might be Hollow Knight
Maybe.
emotes. Also, you have a skong thing on your...
Yeah.
On your little... Whatever the hell this is. How do you even get these? Badges.
Badges. Collect my
badges.
badges.
How are y'all doing? I'm assuming you are also some sort of game dev something. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. So what kind of game dev stuff are you doing? Or are you just here because you're like, this looks cool?
Yeah, that'll be very weird.
I guess I should also show off the game, right?
Yeah, that's your job now. It's
Um,
on your stream. This doesn't work.
there are things going on with the game right now.
Just use the
let me
Steam
just-
version. Quinn, there's a version on Steam.
There is a version on Steam. You're right. You're right. There is a version on Steam. I'll just use the Steam version. Would I go?
Oh, am I in the wrong
Dante's
layer?
Test. I don't know. I don't think so. I forgot that this was on Steam. I keep
No.
forgetting that this game is on
I didn't
Steam.
want to do that. You want to accidentally show
Dude, the
every
amount of
single
times-
area.
JW, I've told you about this before. They said, so funny story. I was following a state machine tutorial, was looking for someone to raid, thought you looked cooler raid, then I noticed you were the guy whose tutorial I was following.
That's really funny.
That's so fucking funny.
That's
The
so
amount of
funny.
times I've just been in someone's Twitch chat and I'd be like, oh, I'm helping them with whatever. And they're like, yeah, I'm just like trying to follow the state machine tutorial and like something's not working. And then they like tab out to my tutorial and then they're like, wait a minute, hold on. I recognize you. That's cool that you were watching my tutorial. It's still insane that, I don't know. It's still
Yeah, I don't know why
shocking to
people
me
would watch that tutorial, I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
Yeah, I don't either. But this is our game that we're working on. It's a deck-like roguelike.
Deck-like? What's a deck-like?
Deck-like kind of goes
Deck-like.
crazy. Deck builder roguelike. But it's not like your other roguelikes, not like your other deck builders.
It's special.
So these are like real-time cards. So if you've ever played Friends versus Friends or Neon Abyss or
Neon
White.
cards, Neon White. Yeah.
Neon White.
Do you wanna
Those cards
do you wanna
are
show
used
them
in
the
real time.
The glorp?
Yeah, I'll show them
It's
the glorp in a
almost done.
second. Let me.
Okay. I just need to add the little glorps in the background.
It's kind of like that. Like you have real-time cards that you use, and that's how you like access your weapons. So in Gungeon, you like unlock weapons and you have like a certain amount of ammo. But for this game, you kind of draw cards as you are in a room, and you will kind of build the deck of cards that you're able to draw. So the cards are kind of cards just because they're like familiar to everyone. You've played Go Fish before.
I haven't, but
Yeah, well, that's because you were homeschooled. So, so that's kind of the way. I'm gonna show off the cool thing because I'm not getting any sticker packs in the things. So, the way that you upgrade your weapons and things are you go into this forge and you'll choose your weapons. So let's say, for example, I want to upgrade the sawed off. So I can open up a sticker pack. And this will drop in 3 stickers that I can choose from. So like, for example, this one makes it so it can go through enemies. And it also like cuts out on the card, which is really cool and fun. And then like this one is really cool because it'll upgrade the size of the projectiles. So I'll just show that off really quickly using some debug tools. Here it is. So now the bullets from the shotgun are really large. And they'll also go through anything that's in the way. At least once. Maybe not. Is it hitting multiple things? I don't know what it's doing. Either way. And so these stickers are the ways that you upgrade your cards throughout a run. Which will kind of let you build your cards in a way that like works towards your playstyle. And then alongside that, we have relics that you can get. So like, it's a good one, like remote detonator. Makes it so when you kill an enemy, they explode, which can deal damage to other enemies, which is very fun. And that's kind of the thing that we're going for. We're just working on UI right now because UI is a bitch. But if you want to play it, it is on Steam right now. We have an open play test. You can go to the Steam page.
Whoa, look at that cool cover art. Look at that.
Cool cover art.
I didn't draw that.
Yeah, if you want to check it out. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can just go here. And there'll be like a sign up to playtest and it'll just auto put you in.
If you don't wishlist it, we're gonna ban you from our channels forever.
That's true. Also, yeah, the giant kitty with the giant pistol, or the small kitty with the giant pistol. Yeah, it's a very, very fun image. I remember a few people, I want to say it was at GodotCon, really, really liked just the image of the cat pulling out the giant gun, or like the giant op. Which is very fun. Also, are we going to add the thing that Gungeon has where you can do the 360s to power up your...
We can. Probably.
We gotta steal that
or
from
some
Gungeon,
some sort of thing similar.
Yeah, the 360.
Maybe not exactly the same, but
yeah. What is the coolest card that we have? It's Salmon Storm, right? This is gonna crash? Yeah, the shop doesn't have a navigation agent. A navigation region. Oh, JW, you know what you should do?
What should I do?
For the boss music, you should try to make something that sounds like some of the sounds that are similar to the deadlock music that we were talking about earlier.
Okay.
You should make the crunchy guitar.
That, yeah.
Yeah, use some shitty amp on like an electric guitar that does like the crunch.
I mean, I can probably do some stuff just digitally because I have a bunch of plugins that can like emulate different amps and things like that, which are fun.
I don't understand why this isn't. Oh. Oh?
Oh?
Oh, that's weird.
Oh?
Sorry, I'm trying to figure out this UI thing, and it's really weird. Maybe I guess I don't update position at all, but I update... Hold on. Don't update position, but do update these? Let me turn my music back on. Also, sorry, I missed your message. Let me... sorry, my brain locked in for a moment. You're trying to finish a game, you're making something like a zero-player game, something like a screensaver where adventurers are fighting monsters. Okay, so like, oh my god, I'm sure... What is the game? I'm sure you've heard of it, JW. It's like a little like streamer thing where they just have like a farm at the bottom. It's similar to Stream Elements.
What it's called.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know what you're talking about, but I have no clue what it's called.
Let me see if I can find it. Desktop farm game.
It's probably just like Tiny Farm or something dumb like that.
There's no shot it's called Desktop Farm, right?
Probably called Desktop Farm.
No, I don't think it is. I don't think it is.
I mean, there's definitely a game on Steam called Desktop Farm.
Yeah, there is. It's got 3.5 stars, and I don't think that the one that I saw would have 3.5 stars.
What is that? This is...
Oh yeah, here's Glorp.
No, yeah, actually, guys, check out Glorp.
Yeah, here's the Glorper.
The Glorp.
The Hytale gameplay here looks a little different than the trailer. Yeah, well, you know. It's, a little art.
I'm still working on, like, the body of the UFO a little bit. It needs a little work. It's a little bit... wonky.
What is this called? Hold on. Rusty's Retirement?
Yes, that's what it is. Definitely.
Okay.
I think. I don't know. That just sounds right.
There was no clue.
It's probably right, you know.
It's very similar to Stream Avatars, though. Like, idea-wise. Dude, I don't know why everything is taking so long to load. I have my frame rate limited in Dante's 9.
Stream Avatars.
Whatever. W Glorp. Yeah. Yeah. We also have Uni in the game. With official permission to have Uni in the game. Right?
Yes.
We got permission from Uni's owner to put... Is Uni a boy or a girl cat?
A boy.
We have official permission to put Uni in the game.
Because he's the chicken boy.
Uni. Yeah, Uni. This guy.
Bro doesn't know Uni.
Dude, I was looking for an image to send my mom of Uni, and this was the one that I was like, I just gotta send this.
Just every image is peak.
This cat is so fucking adorable.
It's literally the best cat to ever exist.
Oh shit, dude. What the fuck? What in the... Did you ever play Deltarune or Undertale?
No, I think I played like a tiny little bit of
someone who
Undertale, and then I was like, this is incredibly lame.
Oh, never mind. Actually, you don't strike me as someone who would because there's reading.
Yeah.
That is my fault. That is 100% my fault. Why is this fucked up still? Is it? Yeah, it's still fucked up. Okay, cool. What? Uni's legendary. Uni's the goat. Yeah, that's where we got the most wish lists from. Was JW is like, He reached out to Uni's owner and been like, "Hey, can we put your cat in the game?" And then they reposted his story on Instagram or something,
Yeah.
or posted about it on Instagram story. I don't know.
They reposted
I don't-
my video on their story.
Okay, yeah, that one. Why is this? Does this need to be here instead? Because you're like evil and messed up, and I don't know why this isn't working. Is it because of you? Do you need to be there? At what point do I just rewrite this again?
Probably right about now.
You know what, JW? I think we throw away the entire game and rewrite it.
I think that sounds like a good idea.
You want to make it in Unity 2D?
No, absolutely not. You mean Unity 3D, but with the orthographic camera?
Yeah. I don't see the difference.
If you're looking for animals to put in the game, I have a husky that's been a OC for Art Fight multiple years running now. Maybe? Perchance. We might also have a way to have, like, upload custom skins and stuff.
We do.
That we
Currently.
do currently.
I don't... What the fuck? I don't understand. You shouldn't be doing that. But if I comment this out, is it going to be fine now? Is it going to look okay? Yes. Okay. So... Is there a size changed signal on controls? I wonder. I guess I don't know. I'm making a ready function to check this. I just need to control. Let's see what we got. Holy, you're inherited by so many things. What you got going on? Signals. Focus, entered, exited. Input. Minimum size changed. Literally what I wanted. Literally what I wanted. Oh, yeah. Well, actually, both of those are good. Good BGM. Thank you, my goat. Let's go. I love getting compliments on my BGM. I need to finish filling out that.
Bro
playlist.
literally says that every stream and it never does.
I do, and then I forget because my Adderall wears off at the end of the stream. You know what? I'm gonna set a timer actually. Where's my phone? I'm gonna set a reminder.
It's not a. It's
Okay, Google.
a timer.
I'm just kidding. My Google doesn't do that anymore. Set a reminder for 6:30 to fill out playlist. Oh, thank you for not doing that. Thank you for searching on Google how to do that. Oh, you motherfucker. Dude, I hate. Set a reminder for 6:30 to fill out playlist.
By intelligence
Sick.
specimen.
Okay. Dope. Terrific. What language is that? This is a GD script. It's syntactically similar to Python, functionally similar to a real programming language. It's like a very quick to what is the word I'm looking for? A very quick to prototype language, and a pretty quick language, like in terms of processing power. Minimum size change dot text on minimum size changed. Isn't that Go on its base? I want to say it's closer to Python. Let me take a look at Go really quickly. Go example code, because I thought Go had semicolons. Oh, it doesn't. Although Go is a real weird mess of like syntax. I'm noticing actually. Let me pull this up really quickly. So Go does have a very similar func like declaration. However, it uses curly braces, no semicolons. It's like, oh, I really don't like this syntax actually.
I hate Go.
Ugh. I don't hate Go. I think Go has a lot of really good parts to it. Oh, that's really weird. Okay, I don't like that. I really don't like how they're declaring the return type of a function in parentheses like that. Or I guess just here. Oh, this is weird. Yeah, it's kind of somewhere between Go and Python. Syntax-wise, at least. But yeah, also, I mean, C# is also really good. I mean, it's tried and tested. It's the thing that is used outside of just Godot and Unity and everything else. Oh my god, what was I doing here? I wanted to do position.y. Well, actually, is it your minimum size that's going to be changed? It is. So this is 192, and I want you to be 176 correct. No. Is 192 correct? No. Well. No, it definitely isn't. I want to... let's try this first. I'll just do this. So main var.position.y is equal to size.y. I'll do this for the slow part as well. And then I also want to set their size. Then I won't change their size down here. Let's try this really quickly. You're biased because you started by learning Java, then using Unity C#. Yeah, it's... So are you still using Unity, or did you swap to Godot, or... I'm assuming you swapped to Godot because you said you were using my state machine tutorial.
Yeah, I feel like using your state machine tutorial in Unity would be like a criminal offense.
I mean, you could do it. You would just have to convert from
No, just because it's
Godot's concept to like game object. But yeah, it would be a criminal offense. We would hate you. I'm just kidding. But Java's also really nice. I actually really, really like Java, despite all of the things that people hate about Java. I'm actually so pissed that this keeps doing this. I don't know why.
Okay, there we go. We had some little mini UFOs in the background.
Maybe it's not... Oh, you know what? It's probably custom minimum size.y, perhaps? Let me add...
There you go. I think I'm happy with this.
Add mana, remove mana.
I think we'll call this good for the glorp.
That's almost right. Oh, it's still growing in the wrong direction. What the fuck is going on there?
Do you want to see the final glorp?
Give me 2 seconds. I'm trying to figure out why this is doing that. I think I leave this alone for a bit. I don't think I'm getting this to work without doing like a big rewrite. I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, sorry, what's the final blurb? Oh shit, dude, that looks fire. Now we just gotta like make it work, which actually is not... So you want it to have a UFO that flies in from...
I had no clue what I wanted to do.
Okay. I was like, we could make it like a... like a dude. Like a summon that just like moves throughout the level and does things, or...
Yeah.
I'm like trying to think of what he would do. Do you want him to be offense or do you want him to be defense? Do you think he would be a...
Yeah,
a
one
hurt
thing.
or a help.
I think one that I was thinking was that he'd like pick up enemies and like stun them and like hold them in place. This little UFO.
I see. So he could be like a little UFO guy that like kind of hangs around the player, and then if the player gets close enough to something, he'll like zoom over to the enemy and then do like a little beam that like holds them in place.
Yeah, maybe you would deal like a very small amount of damage. Like you could build it into dealing damage, but like it doesn't do a ton of damage by itself.
Yeah. Honestly, that's kind of... Ooh. We could also have him... Oh, I don't know how feasible that would be, actually. I was like, it'd be kind of cool if he had like some sort of tractor beam that he would like sort of like beam down over a little area, and then anything passing through it would be slowed. I don't know how you feel about that.
Yeah. One thing Biggles mentioned last night that I thought would be sick was like a zero gravity sticker. I don't know exactly how it would work, but what he was thinking was something like Salmon Storm. So like they kind of just fly through the level instead of like falling down. They just kind of like float around.
Oh.
Which would be cool. But I don't know how we would do that.
I do. That's okay.
But it was a cool idea. Then I mentioned that I want to make like a black hole gun at some point that like sucks things in. So like, yeah.
Ooh, that's a really interesting one, actually. The Salmon Storm one. You know what? I'm gonna do that.
Oh dear.
Right now, I think. Okay, let me catch up with it. Java might have problems, but at least its syntax is good. Its syntax is really good, minus... I really don't like how verbose the import statements tend to be, but, I mean, you know, that's just it. Also, the build system for Java is really the thing that kills me. But you need to close the day. Ella Devs, it is already Monday for you. Oh, damn. Good luck, good luck. Or I guess good night. You never touched anything programming-wise outside of Scratch because when you were in school, you were forced to learn it. That's, like, unfortunate. It's kind of like, that's how reading is in school, which, like, really, really sucks, is, like, you're forced to read things that you don't want to read, and so it, like, turns people off of it, and they're like, I don't want to do this anymore, but it's, like...
Literally me.
Yeah, it's like, if you did, like,
although I did
read
actually
things you cared
originally
about,
start game dev from scratch.
Yeah, that's true, actually. The guy who started this game and was working on it for like a year just started off with Scratch.
Yeah.
Maybe, you know what? Let's take a look at your Scratch projects on stream.
Here, I can follow up the one good one. That is actually...
The one good one?
It's like decently impressive for being in like... I think I was probably like 11 or 12 when I made it. It's pretty good, because I mean, think about it. Scratch doesn't even have a camera. So it's like, it's a top-down game where you move around, but instead of the player moving and like having a camera attached to it, what I had to do is make the entire level move around. And
wait,
also,
what? Does it not do that?
No, there's no camera, there's no nothing. Everything has to be on like the same square. And so you have to move stuff. Yeah, you had to do a ton of... So like that's the one nice thing about it, is I learned how to like get around restrictions and things like that. I mean, to be fair, I did end up, I did look up like a lot of tutorials and things like that. But then also like, I think also, you couldn't have any sprite like had to be on screen. If it went off screen, it would get stuck on the edge. So you couldn't have it go off screen. So you would have to tile the level and keep track of like where each one goes. So that way, if it goes off screen, you hide it and then you keep track of how far away it is. And then when it comes back, you show it. It was such a mess. I mean, let me literally just open this up and see what it looks like inside, because I don't even remember. Actually, can I even do that? Because I think I got locked out of my account and I don't know how to get back in.
That's fucking funny. Okay. Let me...
No, I want to see if I can get this to work.
Salmon Storm. So Salmon Storm zero gravity sticker would be kind of sick. Is there anything else?
Honestly, a zero gravity card might be better. Because a sticker, like, it has to apply to a decent number of things for it to really be useful. I'm not thinking of anything inherently that would be useful with that, but with a card, that's kind of something that the player can pick what to use it with, so it might not necessarily work with everything.
So what would it do? Would it make the entire level 0 gravity?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me think about that for a moment, because I don't know what all that's gonna do. Where all are we getting gravity? A few places. Okay, not that many places.
Let's see.
Oh, let me think. What would be a good place to do this? So a turret would float where you set it, or like pumpkin bombs would fly straight. That's true. That is a fun one, yeah. Because there's also like bricks, would just kind of not fall. They would just fly. I wonder if there's a way to. Is there a way to set gravity across the entire project?
Yeah, I made this in 2020, so I was like 12, 13. Little child. Let's see. There's 100% some like evil stuff going on in here. It's the player.
Okay, let's try this. Input, not yet. Changes press. And activate one. And we'll do this.
Oh, and also there weren't like physics or anything like that, so you had to write that yourself as well. Which, one of the things that you had to do, I don't know if there's a better way to do it, but what I did, which is really stupid, is basically there's a function to see if one color is touching another color, because it's like for kids, so like that makes logical sense of like, oh, this color is touching this color. What I have is every wall is one color, and then the left, right, and up hitboxes are like different colors, and then I'm checking to see if that color is touching the wall color.
Oh.
And then if it's
insane.
doing that, then you can't move in that direction. Yeah, it's really unhinged.
Did that affect? I can't tell if that's affecting player movement. Maybe that's a bad sign that I can't tell if that's affecting player movement. Let's set this to like something really low and see if. I don't think it is.
Yeah, anyways, that was quite the time.
Yeah, no, that definitely is not affecting player movement. Does this affect anything? Oh shit, dude, look at the brick.
Oh, that's kind of sick. Wait, that's
It's
actually sick. That's really cool.
It's not
I like that.
affecting the player. Wait, it doesn't affect the player.
Yeah, that's probably a good thing, actually.
Yeah, it probably is, but I just didn't. What
happens if you Oh, that's so sick.
What the fuck? That is actually really cool. Let me add another debug thing to set it back to regular gravity. So like you throw this and then you change it back. after it launches. Let me change these to numbers that are not gonna have cards on them. So brick, no gravity, and then I hit 8, and then it goes back to full gravity. It's fun. Sorry, what were you gonna say? You said, what if I,
Oh, try to see if the, whatever heavy bullet sticker works. I don't know if you still have that in the game.
Oh, that looks
Some
weird.
issues.
Oh, that's fun, but it looks weird.
What looks weird?
The turret in the air.
Oh, that's really funny. Yeah, I mean, maybe we would make the gravity, like, really low. Not, like,
I would think,
0.
yeah, I would think it wouldn't be 0. I think it'd be like 100 or some shit, so that it could at least, like, so things would still fall to the ground.
What does the salmon storm look like? That's like the real test. Oh, don't do it in this room. Don't do it in this room.
Yeah, I know. That's why I teleported out, brother.
Okay. I missed that part. Okay, they aren't
There's
affected
nothing.
by gravity. because
I
I
didn't turn the gravity down. Oh, no, just kidding.
Yeah, they
but I
just,
can
it's
do
just
that.
because they probably don't have gravity. And that's a good test to make sure that everything is gravity.
Oh, God.
Just
God.
look for, don't worry about it. Oh, it's not in there.
Yeah. What a gross
It's just salmon,
file with
yeah.
no space.
Don't worry
No
about it, don't worry
spacing
about
and
it, twin.
nothing.
Don't worry about it.
So, hold on. What is, it should be doing get gravity. Oh. Oh, this is on ready.
I see.
I don't think we want to do that. I think
No,
we
we
want
don't.
to do
Yeah.
body.get gravity. I
mean,
don't
you can
think
just
that this
do
will
that.
immediately change it. Oh, it does. Yeah.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah, because then one thing that it does is if there's, I mean, not that we're gonna have it, but if there's like a spherical gravity, so it like pulls towards the middle.
Oh, also, hello, Biggles. I didn't realize you were in the chat. I was just about to respond to your message. I can just respond to your message in words. Basically, yes, we definitely need card ideas, but we don't really need art since I'm doing most of it. If you want to do the art for fun, you can do that. There's no guarantee that I'll use the art that you have, but I will gladly be inspired by it or use it if it fits the style. Mostly just because I want to have like a coherent style of things. But the art is, if you don't feel like doing art for them,
The art is
just for fun.
Definitely not the bottleneck of the game.
Yeah. Yeah, the thing that I'm looking for mostly is just like the concepts and the ideas of like what the card does. But if you enjoy doing the art for it, feel free to do that, as I said.
Holy shit. Dude, look at that one sandwich fucking flying across the screen.
No, that's actually...
Dude,
very,
they move so fast. Spawn a few of those, actually.
It's beautiful.
Alright, and now here's the real test. How does this do against the boss, I wonder?
Why is he yellow?
He's yellow, don't worry about it. He's yellow, don't worry about it.
But see, that's good, because before, like, he wouldn't take damage if you, like, went across the
Ooh.
top or something like that.
What was that? Why did the game run like shit for a little while? What was up with that? Sorry, what'd you say, though?
I said,
boss.
before, like, he wouldn't get hit by it if he went across, like, on the top or something like that.
Yeah.
But now, since they're everywhere, he takes damage everywhere. So thank you, Biggles, for the amazing idea of zero gravity. Because this is sick. Oh yes, I meant to
what's up with
export
that?
this.
Slow down. Why is that? Ooh, look at that. That's cool. What's going on there? Ah, the audio thread is taking a long time.
Yeah, probably because you're playing like 50 billion sounds in one frame.
It's not in one frame. It's in a few frames.
We should just redo how we do that sound because it's kind of awful.
Probably.
love doing art on stream so much more than like trying to program a tutorial.
What an evil thing to say.
Yeah, I know. I'm evil, guys.
I hate doing art. But you know what? I'm glad you do, man. That means I don't have to do any art.
Yep, this is true.
Oh, wait, why is this not... Explosion.
You're making satisfying feeling homing weapons because I'm procrastinating on level generation. At least you're doing something.
Alright. No more explosions.
You just get rid of them.
Yeah, I just told the boss to stop
Just, like,
exploding upon death.
Do less of them. Like, every few it does it. Because, I mean, what? You're probably... I'm assuming you're iterating through all of the segments.
Nope.
You just... Okay, never mind. What are you doing?
Nope. Don't worry about it. I did it
Bro,
as a
doing
test,
something evil.
and I liked it so much that I kept it in, and then it caused issues, so...
It literally just deafens everybody. People abilitic that deafens people.
Yeah, there we go. No more sound. I can just make it do like an audio manager, play sound. Do we have whatever, I'm not gonna do anything for now. You can be no sound and I'll just like doo-doo. I'm on death. Oh shit. What the fuck are you? Oh, it's because I saved over the file. And it stopped the async timer. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted to add the card. So this is a card, not a sticker.
Yes.
What all do we want it to affect? Because there are certain things it doesn't currently affect. It doesn't affect the player. It doesn't affect enemies using the player movement. Do we want it to?
Probably. I don't know about the player. Maybe it should. But I feel like that could be a little annoying. And just try it out, see what happens.
Yeah.
Need me hours right now. Yeah.
All right, buddy. That's it. You're going back to the pound.
What?
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 Yep. Oh shit. It's fun. I don't know if it's good, but it's fun.
Can you like fast fall easily or no? Oh no, you cannot at
Nope.
all. Not fall.
No. The enemy really doesn't know what to make of this. What if I were to set this to something that isn't so egregious? Like 1500 is the default, but if I just set it to like just over half gravity. Oh no, I need to actually set it. Doesn't feel the worst, honestly. Moon shoes type shit. And this does still affect the salmon a decent bit. Not nearly as much as like very little gravity. And little gravity's fun. Oh wait, I thought we had something where the salmon would rotate like a little bit based on the direction they're moving. I don't remember if we tried that.
Oh no, I don't think we did, but that I actually like that. Yeah, I like that idea. Got that
Where's the,
Half-Life view tilt in Dante 9 salmon.
Wait, what if I add that to the? Hold on,
Hmm.
I'm gonna do something evil. I'm so sorry.
Okay. We support being evil around here.
This might look very bad for anyone who's well. Wait, it's not doing anything. Okay, this might look. Ooh. Okay. Yep. Bad. Sorry. Ooh, shit, that's kind of fire. Maybe not that much. What's the player's movement normally? Like, what's the? I'm curious actually. Do you know? Let's say that the player's running to the left or to the right. What do you think that value is going to be? About?
I have no clue. Like,
He has no idea.
I
I don't
genuinely
either.
have no idea.
600 is about the
6-7.
movement for the player. 6-7, 6-7. Okay, GW, can you take a look? So, this is Dante's 9 rebuilt in gold source.
Wait, why is it gonna got sauce? Wait a second, I kind of like it. Now this makes me want to add like rotational screen shake for like when you're shooting.
Oh god.
Wait.
And the effect can actually be turned up as well. So like,
oh, that's already hurting my head. I don't like it.
yeah, it's not great when turned up. I wonder
What
how
if you
much.
did it like really low, like just a tiny little bit,
Yeah, that's what this is. This is
like
very
less
low.
than that?
Unless you're. Also, do you think it should be this way or do you think it should be the other way? Actually, I have no idea.
It's definitely that way, cause like if yeah, it should be that way, cause it's like
Oh god.
if you lean the
Yeah, no, this
level
is.
to the left. Oh, now it's like so little that it like still hurts because it's so little. Yeah, maybe we don't do that.
Funny.
But honestly, now I'm curious how that like what like rotational screen shake would look like for the shooting and stuff.
Wait.
I do kind of want to see if we could rework the screen shake a little bit, because right, like I'd like to add screen shake for like shooting or something like that, but have like a nice smoother screen shake that's not like as violent as the one we currently have.
Mm-hmm.
Just like kind of more like a rumble than like a shake. You know what I'm saying?
A rumble. Yeah, no, I don't. I won't lie.
Literally just screen shake, but like not as much shake, you know?
The fucking Quake tilt shift goes so hard. I love tilt shift so much.
That's not what tilt shift is, I don't think, but yeah, you do you.
Is it not? What the fuck is tilt shift? I don't know. I don't care. Actually. Tilt shift. I do care. I'm looking it up. What if I look up Quake tilt shift?
Make the derivative of the
Like, will that-
screen's motion for the screen shake. Match. Wait. What? I don't know what you're saying, but okay. Biddy, do you understand what Biggles is saying?
Nope.
Okay.
That's okay. We'll just like rewrite it from the ground up at some point, and then we'll play around with it until it feels good. Because you'll be like, oh, what if it did this instead? And then I'll cry, and then I'll do it, and then it'll be like, yeah, I prefer the other one, and then like I won't have committed the first one up, so I'll have to rewrite the first one again.
Many such cases.
And then I'll leave the new implementation in, but like comment it out or like underscore old or something, just in case you want to go back to that one, and then you don't, and then I forget about it, and then you're like, why do we have 8 files named screen shake old?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Does this know about the sprite? This doesn't know about the sprite. Not you. I guess, what are you doing in here? You're doing some shit. You know about the sprite? You know about the sprite. Alright, fuck it, you're going in here. I don't care enough anymore. It's that should be as easy as doing like a sprite rotation degrees is equal to. I'll just do velocity.x. What are you? Card ability. Oh shit, you don't know that you have velocity. I see. Never mind, you're not going in here. Flop sounds.
Yeah. Here's the UFO in game. It currently looks like it currently says Salmon Storm because I just retextured the Salmon Storm, but looks pretty sick.
Whoa, that's fire. I just used Salmon Storm in the shop room. Used Salmon Storm in shop room award. Tell if it's doing anything. Maybe I should make the value like way higher for funsies. No, that's definitely not doing anything. And I don't know how or why. Oh, because the velocity's way too low, I guess.
Oh, Biddy, did you fix the thing where you can't click on stickers?
Can you not click on stickers currently?
No.
What was the thing that made you not click on stickers?
I don't know. But I thought you ran into that one. Maybe not.
I don't know if
Anyway,
I
so
did.
how
I
big
also
the
don't
UFO
think.
looks.
You know, it looks sick. What if it Never mind. I'm not gonna say that.
Say it.
What if we used a similar shader for the background that we do for the negative shader, where it has like the stars and shit? So whenever you rotate it, like rotates it.
Maybe. I would if we did something like that, I would maybe want to make it like a custom texture or something, not like the weird noise that we have currently.
Yeah.
That's a possibility.
Yeah, I was also thinking that it would just like pull textures from like the set of textures that you have, and then as you like rotate it, it would like fade them into view, like based on where they are.
Yeah.
But I don't 100% know what that would look like or how that would work.
I mean, we could literally just have like a set of layers, so it's like layer 1 shifts by this much based on the rotation, layer 2 shifts by that much.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Stop what?
Because you say we could literally do this, and then you explain something that is like we couldn't
You
literally
just
do
move the
that.
texture around, you know?
Stop. Stop.
What?
Death.
I'm sure it's not that hard. Anyways. Oh, I can't even skip it.
Yeah, I think I fixed the thing. I think. Let me find out actually.
Okay, well, let me export this as a...
I did,
pretty
yeah.
happy with that. I do need to eat dinner soon, because I'm starving. I have not eaten since breakfast. What are you working on?
Salmon.
Okay.
I'm gonna end stream somewhat soon though.
Okay.
Okay, these guys are very funny.
Are they?
Yeah. They're doing some funky shit. Let's see.
What if
Maybe instead of that,
it only does it like as they're going up, and then when they go down, they kind of like flatten out or go like the other way.
Mm-hmm.
So that way they
So I was
kind of
actually
go in
about to
like
do that. I was gonna
they go
say
in like an arc.
so almost I'm like, here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna just like I'm gonna set the spray rotation to an amount and then I'm gonna tween it back as when it jumps.
Okay, sure.
That way it goes back to
As long as it looks cool, you know?
yeah. Oh, they're funny. They're very funny. Let's put this in slow motion so I can see it. Yeah, definitely the wrong way. I won't lie to you. Okay, yeah, they're definitely... Okay, so I need this to be this direction so that whenever they jump... Do something kind of like that? I wonder how that looks in full motion. Oh! Whoa! That's actually... I kind of fuck with that. Like a lot, actually.
Can I see it again? Sorry, I was looking at Instagram. Yeah, those look good. It'd be cool if you could make them like arc down as they're going down, so they kind of travel in, like an arc.
That's true. That's true. I wonder. Oh, you know what I could do actually. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I kind of know how I can do that a little bit. That's gonna. Just make you go like that for a second and see what that. Okay, they're definitely going a little too fast. I love tweens. I love tweens. I love tweens. These things are so fucking cool.
True.
Remember there was a time that you didn't like know how to use tweens?
Yeah, there's They're just weird. I'm just not used to like doing things in code like that, where it's like, oh, we
Yeah, it's
make a
kind of like an
thing,
animation, but
yeah, but you have to like
like-
write out every single thing. Like it just scared me because there's just so many lines of code for like what seems to be one simple little thing.
yeah.
Like the whole like creating a new tween object and then like calling a bunch of functions on it. It's like, it's an artist that's like scary, you know? You know what I'm saying, twin? Twinithy. Twinjamin.
Twinjamin. Now it looks like they're not tweening at all.
Rip.
I'm gonna make them upside down now. Just to make sure that it's working.
What?
It is working. Dude, that motherfucker just flew. Oh, I know what it is.
It's not working, twin.
I say I know what it is, followed by a display that I do not in fact know what it is. Oh no, now it's kinda working a little bit. Because it says ease in. Yeah, which means it very quickly goes from like let me put this bitch in slow-mo so I can look at one of these fish like this one. So he goes up. And then he sits there. Why does he sit there for so long, I wonder? He shouldn't be sitting there for so long. I could just do that thing where like body dot or sprite dot rotation degrees is equal to 1. Oops. Remap the velocity dot y. I want it to go from like 100 minus 100 to minus 1 to 1. Is that right? No. 1 to minus 1. And then you can be ratio times, like, I don't know, 90 degrees for now. And then let's get rid of this tweening shit. So what happens here? So they start at 90 degrees and then... Ah, okay, so I've got the numbers wrong for sure. What's the average velocity dot y that I'm seeing? Around 400, or some of them are hitting 700.
600 or 700.
Yeah, around 600 or 700. JW, can you look at this for a second?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Whenever the fish spawn, I just want you to see them all nosedive into the ground. Because it's so...
It's kind of
I don't know why
fire,
it's so
actually,
funny.
though.
Just seeing them, like, torpedo into the ground.
Wait, that's kind of
It's-
got some sauce, though. I like it.
Like, look at these, look at these.
yeah, maybe reduce the max rotation a little bit.
Yeah, but I think having it do that is definitely some sauce, for sure.
Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, that looks way cool.
Yeah, I think that's the play.
That looks really sick. Hold up. Can you just die?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It is, yeah. Salmon Storm got just a little bit of a buff this patch, by virtue of now it looks cooler.
True.
So, Biggles, you said, hold up, you can live edit code. Yeah, you can. It shouldn't be bugged on Linux. It works on. I mean, I don't want to be the
It
one
works
that
on
says, like,
Windows,
it works on my
so.
machine, but it works
So it should
on.
work on
Well, no,
Linux.
it works on my Linux environment
Yeah.
on both my computer, like my PC, and my laptop.
I see. Who did
But I
up my
don't know
PC?
if.
Because I need me.
Yeah. My laptop uses Kubuntu and my PC uses Nobara, and both of those have live editing that works. So maybe it's just like a base Debian issue. I don't know. L plus Debian. That does look sick. And then if I put them in zero gravity. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it looks so much cooler. It didn't change their movement at all, did it?
Nope, their movement is exactly
Okay.
the same.
It's so
It just
weird because it
changes
looks
the-
so different, but it's like exactly
Well,
the same.
we're in slow motion, or we're in low gravity right now.
I know, but like even in low gravity, it like looks different.
If I do this, yeah, no, this is literally the exact same as that. Like if I were to,
Also, I feel like the low gravity should be a little bit lower. Maybe I don't know.
there we go. There's a regular salmon storm.
Mm-hmm.
No rotations, no nothing. Rotation.
Wait, can you turn on the low gravity again? I want to see.
With the rotation or without?
With the rotation. Okay.
And then without, which they're not going to be updated correctly. There's going to be the same rotation here, but
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Yeah, the low gravity works.
yeah, which is not a card for that right now. But sorry, you said something about the bullets. Oh, with heavy bullets. Is
I
heavy
don't
bullets
even
in
know
the
if we
game
still
currently?
have that. I don't think so. I don't know if there's a way to add it. Because doesn't it have to be in the list of things for it to work?
Which one is heavy bullets? One of
It's
these?
not in there, I don't think, no.
Okay, what is heavy bullets normally called?
Pretty sure it's just called heavy bullets. 'Cause that's what you
Oh,
call
it's called
it.
a mercury.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, so I had to disable it. I just put false.
That's really funny that you can just do that. Mercury.
Yeah, that should have updated. I'm kind of surprised that it didn't. Maybe this needs to be true. Yeah, there it is. Yes, those are heavy bullets that work, and then I don't think that's affected by gravity. Well,
Yeah, I guess it wouldn't make a huge difference. You'd be able to tell more if you had the like bouncy as well.
that's true. It is definitely affected by gravity, I think. Because here's regular gravity and here's low gravity. And it's hitting the ceiling like... I guess I'll just find out. Gravity, where is it? How are we adding gravity to this? Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh fuck. Oh, it's under heavy bullet. Right, it's this one. It is using gravity. Oh, it's because the projectiles stop. They use gravity the longer they're active. I remember. Yeah. So like if I go in here and camera zoom out a little bit more. So this is regular gravity, like mostly hitting that platform on the right.
Mhm.
Low gravity is over the platform on the right.
Crazy.
So it's very little difference because the heavy bullets up the projectile. Like they do, it does some weird shit over the lifetime. Also, it has a limit on how much it can be gravity, I guess. So it already looks low gravity. But I think if I were to go into the player and set this gravity amount to like 0. So here's regular gravity and here's low gravity. So yeah, they are affected by gravity. Just it would need some tweaking to make it actually work. I mean, accidentally get rid of that. And then yeah, let me add regular, and then low gravity, well, 0 gravity. Which is funny.
Oh wait, I just realized the shells are also affected by it. That's sick.
Yeah, most things are. There's few things in the game from what I'm seeing that use like anything that's using this.
I mean, probably
not
anything that
used
I've written
anymore.
code for doesn't use gravity, but that's because you've rewritten most of the stuff.
Well,
so.
I wrote this one.
Yeah.
I wrote the yarn ball.
Yeah.
Which should
0 gravity yarn ball would be cool, yeah. That's kind of sick.
And then regular gravity yarn ball. And then I changed it to 0 gravity at the end there. It's fun.
It's pretty fair.
Yeah, so anything that uses the project setting, like the default gravity keyword, is not. Why are you? Oh, I know why you are. That's probably fine. Yeah, okay, so it looks like most things are actually now. What are some other things that would be gravity affected? Does the soul dispenser have gravity?
Yeah.
It does. Anything that's a rigid body would be affected by that as well.
So like
that looks really weird with the particles. Those particles are tied to the soul projector, I've just learned. And they shouldn't be.
Yeah,
Wait.
Wait.
Fire.
That is fire. Bees? I guess bees aren't really. I don't think they are. They just fly.
I don't think they are.
I mean, the thrown out bee thing is, but besides that, no. Moving dummy.
Are you affected by gravity, or what are you doing? I don't.
Probably not, because I wrote him. Almost certainly not, actually.
Ouch. Wait, what is he doing? Is he...
What? Yeah.
Let's see. Oh. So he needs the gravity to be lowered for him.
Or you could just increase the jump height.
There we go. Regular gravity. Low gravity.
Fire.
Regular gravity. Low gravity. Sick.
Tough.
Hammer ability. Those are not affected by gravity. The eggs are not affected by gravity. Yeah, that checks out. Okay. Well, I'm happy to call stream there, I think.
Yep, me too.
Random ass tweaks and 2.5 hours of random ass tweaks and a couple of small things here and there. Many such, yeah. Oh, the new mana bar I need to make work, but that'll be a later thing, I guess. Oh shit, dude, that makes flying enemies like crazy strong whenever there's no gravity.
What was that, sorry?
I wonder... It'd be kind of funny for flying enemies if, like, just thinking about it, like, if a flying... Like, let's say a bird was just, like, used to flying, and then all of a sudden the world became zero gravity, or, like, low gravity, the bird would go up because it's used to flying at full gravity its entire life. So it'd be kind of funny if these guys, like, overshot above where they're supposed to be all the time, but that's way too much, and also would be, like, kind of unpredictable. But, yeah. So gravity is not hard to change, it seems.
Okay.
Which is good. As long as things are coded properly. Which they aren't always, which is okay. But yeah, alright.
Yeah, now we need to figure out how to suck enemies into an area with, like, a black hole.
That's easy. We do shit like that all the time. You just,
Yeah, I guess it would just be like a negative knockback, basically.
Well, that's not how I would describe it, but yeah. I would say just, like, every frame, like, add onto their velocity towards the thing, or add onto their position towards the thing. Like, times delta. And then it would just, like, pull it towards it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good for today.
All right. Well,
wait,
congratulations on your glorp card.
The glorp.
I don't know if I maybe don't call it UFO. I'm maybe thinking like you could call it, like, you could do a play on like an ET, something like a, I don't know, I'm thinking like Little Helper or like Visitor or like some shit, like something that describes the dude flying the thing rather than like just UFO. I think that'd be kind of fun, but
perchance.
Shit. Yeah. All right. Goodbye, though, people. We will be back on Tuesday at about this time right now. So I don't know if you have anything else that you want to say.
No, I don't.
Okay. This guy's EB Sleepy.
Yeah, good mind
All right.
again.
Oh. Goodbye.